Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel techCodio. My name is Bharat Kumar. So guys, it's been 1 month that I haven't made any video in my YouTube channel. From now onwards, I'll make consistency in my YouTube channel, right? So now in this video, we are going to build a project and the project name is basic alarm clock, right? So we are going to build an alarm clock using Python, right? So this time I won't do any live coding. Here I explain my pre-existing code, right? So guys, if you are ready to learn this project, please hit the like button and also share this video to your friends, right? So guys, now let's see the code. First you need to import all these packages. Only for this package, Pygame, we need to install it. So here is the command that you can install this package. Pip install Pygame. So with this, we are all ready to begin the project. So here you can see I made two functions, set alarm and play alarm sound. These are the main functions that we are going to use in this project. Now let's see the set alarm. So here I'm going to pass my alarm time. The time is while true. Here I have added while true. The code will run until it reaches the alarm time to the current time. For example, you set alarm at 150. The current time is 149. Right? When the current time meets to the 150, then we'll play this alarm sound. Right here I'm calling this alarm sound function, play alarm sound, and then after this function break, right, and then sleep for 1 second. It is a function that we have. And then in the play alarm I added try and except block so that it can able to run whether if there is any error occurred, right? So here if not pygame mixer get init, so pygame mixer dot init, this checks if pygame is initialized or not. Then we can load our song. It is the mp3 song that I have added to this project. You can add your own mp3 song or any music, right? And then with this pygame mixer.music.play, it will play this mp3 song. So here I have added one concept. The concept is without this concept we cannot stop the alarm until the song completed. But with this code, when you press on S button, we can able to stop the music, right? Like in our phone, when we set alarm, there is a button called stop. When we press on that button, our alarm will be stopped. So here also I implemented this logic. So here it is going to print like press S to stop the alarm sound. It is a main while loop. While pygame dot mixer.music dot get busy, input equal to S. So it is going to stop pygame dot mixer.music dot stop. So with this load, I'm loading the song. The same syntax here also, play. Here I'm stopping the music. That's it. Break. If something goes wrong here, it will give this error playing the alarm sound. For example, you didn't define the correct path for the mp3 file. You may get the error, but the code should not stop. So that's why I'm using this try and except concept. Right? I hope these two functions are clear. When we execute this code, you can able to understand what is happening in this code. And here is the main function, user input to start the alarm, like print welcome to the alarm clock. Here we need to enter the hour. So current time is 1:57. So you need to give 13 because the hour starts 0 to 23. Alarm minute same 0 to 59. You need to define your alarm time. Then the alarm hour should be greater than 0 and less than 24. And same like that for minute 0 and 60. It should be in between 0 and 60 only. It should not cross 0 and 60. So alarm time equal to, it is going to print like our format. Alarm is set for alarm time. Set alarm time. Here I'm calling this function set alarm time. In this function I'm going to call one more function, play alarm sound. So in the main function I call this set alarm. In the set alarm I call this alarm play sound, right? So with this code we can able to run this main function. Got it? So now let's run this code. Enter the hour of alarm 0 to 23. Here the current time is 1. So I'll enter 13. Minute is 59. So now the current time is 1:58. Now the time is 1:59. So you can see the sound is play, right? So when you press on S, you can able to exit. See, press S to stop the alarm stopped, right? So I'm going to run it for second time. the current time is 1:59. I'll set it for 14:0. Let's wait for 1 minute. The alarm will be turned on at 2 p.m. Here you can see welcome to the alarm clock. Alarm set for 14 minutes 2 p.m. See guys, the song is playing, right? Press S to stop the alarm. S, enter. Alarm stopped. See how simple it is, right? I'll give this code in the description. You can also try this code, right? But the thing is, you need to run your code until the alarm time sets, until the alarm starts. It is only for the education purpose. It's not for the any real kind of implementations. If you want to do a real kind of implementation, we need to do some extra things to this, right? It's only for education purpose. Got it? So guys, bye for now. See you in the next video with another project or any new concept.